Create a desktop frame. Click on the layout grid and change the grid to the columns. Set the count to 12, the type to center, the width to 90, and the gutter to 20. Please rename this frame to desktop. Duplicate this frame. Let's create a grid system for a tablet screen. Change the width to 780 pixels. Please rename this frame to tablet. Set the column count to 6. The width to 100. Don't change the other settings. Let's replicate this layout for the mobile version. Change the width to 320 pixels. Set the count to 2 and the width to 140. Don't change the other settings. Let's design a skeleton screen for the desktop view. This will be our slider. Let's create a container. Let's check our desktop screen. Let's design a skeleton screen for the tablet view. Let's design a skeleton screen for the mobile view. This is our final responsive layout.